Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer data from Salesforce to HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab in Salesforce. Create a new report by clicking on the New Report button. Select the appropriate report type for customer data. Customize the report to include relevant fields such as name, email, and phone number. Run the report to ensure it contains all necessary data. Export the report in a CSV format by clicking on the Export button. Open the CSV file to verify that all data has been correctly exported. Log into your HubSpot account. Go to the Contacts section on the HubSpot dashboard. Click on the Import button to start the data import process. Select the File Upload option to upload your CSV file. Choose the CSV file you exported from Salesforce. Map the fields in the CSV file to the corresponding properties in HubSpot. Review your field mappings to ensure accuracy. Once everything is mapped correctly, click on Next. Monitor the import progress in HubSpot. After the import is complete, check the Contacts section in HubSpot to verify the data. Make any necessary adjustments to the imported data if needed. Finally, ensure that your customer data is organized and accessible within HubSpot for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.